Hello and welcome tech enthusiasts to the channel. We're going to delve into the fascinating world of technology and explore how it works. To stay up to date on our latest videos, be sure to hit that notification bell, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support us and spread the love to YouTube's algorithm. Firstly, let's discuss computer hardware. Computer hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system, such as the processor, memory, hard drive, and input-output devices. Let's start with the Central Processing Unit or CPU. The CPU is like the brain of the computer and is responsible for performing all of the calculations that make the computer work. Without a powerful CPU, a computer would not be able to handle complex tasks or run resource-intensive applications. Next up, we have the Graphics Processing Unit or GPU. The GPU is responsible for rendering and displaying graphics on the computer screen. This is especially important for gamers and professionals who work with graphic-intensive applications like video editing or 3D modeling. The motherboard is the foundation of the computer system and connects all the other components together. It is like the highway system of the computer and is responsible for managing the data flow between the various components. The hard disk drive or solid-state drive is the storage device that holds all of your data and programs. The speed and size of the storage device can impact the overall performance of a computer system. A solid-state drive is faster than a hard disk drive, and so it's the preferred choice for high-performance computing. Finally, we have input-output devices like keyboards, mice, and monitors. These devices allow us to interact with the computer and are essential for getting work done or playing games. In conclusion, understanding the foundations of computer hardware is essential for anyone interested in the world of technology. By knowing how these components work together, we can build powerful and efficient computer systems that can handle any task. Thank you for tuning in to our video. We appreciate your time and interest in our content. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos, feel free to share them in the comments below.